How to log into Instagram app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically log into your Instagram application, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually log into your Instagram app, all you have to do is first of all make sure to update the Instagram app from your app store. So head over to your respective app store, download the Instagram app. Make sure to either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Now once you've basically done downloading or updating, all you need to do is just open it up, right? And then once you open it up, you will see this type of interface by default. So you can just choose to log in with any of your existing accounts that it may show up over here, because even if you've saved it, it'll show up. Or you can just tap on the login to another account button. Then just make sure to enter the username and the password of that specific account, and then you'll be able to be successfully logged into your Instagram account just like this, as you can see over here. And this is how you can simply log into Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.